Hi everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about straightening and cropping images using Photoshop. So to straighten your image, you're going to want to use the ruler tool, and this is usually located in the left panel, but if you cannot find it, you can always use the help section to find it. So you're going to click on the ruler tool first. Next, you're going to use your mouse to draw a line that is parallel to the image that you want to straighten. So you're going to click on an edge and then drag it and make sure that it's parallel to the image. After that, you're going to click on Straighten Layer here at the top. Now, as you can see, the image is straightened, but we're going to take a step further and use the cropping tool to trim out the unwanted margins. So you're going to click on the crop tool, and it's going to create some borders around your image. So next, you're going to use your mouse to adjust this crop box that has been created until it fits. So you're going to move it, click, and then you move it. So if your image didn't quite straighten the way you wanted it to, you can use this crop tool to rotate the image further so that you can straighten it. So you go all the way in the corner here, and then you tilt it so that it's a lot more straightened. And then you adjust the edges once more of the box until it fits. When your crop box is positioned where you want it, you can click return or the check mark at the top to accept the changes. And finally, your image is cropped. Thank you so much for watching.